Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Random Robot Does Something Random. Today I'm changing the battery in a Kubota BX25D tractor. So the battery is located under the steering column behind this grate. We just have to unscrew this threaded knob. And once we remove that, it'll expose where the battery is housed. So the battery is held in with this rubber strap, which you just need to pull towards the front of the vehicle to release. So once the battery is removed, we're just going to take a 1/2-inch socket or a wrench, and we're going to remove the negative terminal first. We always remove the negative first. So let's have a look at the old battery. So it's quite old, and as you can see, it's bulged on the sides here. So apparently over the winter, it must have been discharged and got a bit too cold. It's no longer holding a charge. So the new battery, if you call your Kubota dealer, so most of the BX series takes a 526 RMF. The RMF stands for reverse poles. So you can use a standard battery. It's much cheaper than buying one from Kubota. And be sure to give it a good charge before installing. Now it's important to give both the terminals a good cleaning. Now when reinstalling the battery, always put the positive on first and the negative on last. Always remember that the negative is the first to come off and the last to go back on. And you notice here I'm pointing the terminals back towards the rear of the vehicle. So when I slide it into the housing, they will fit in much nicer. So I'm just going to apply a little Vaseline to the terminals to reduce oxidation. Now it is better if you have some electrical antioxidant, and if you do, you apply the antioxidant before putting the terminals on. Since I only have Vaseline here, I'm just applying it to after. Once that's done, we'll just slide the battery back into place. And we'll lock the rubber strap back into place. So we're just going to put the screen back on, and we just have to line up the two bottom pegs into the holes. Sometimes you may have to open the hood because if the screen doesn't pass by the hood section, but usually it just slides right back in place. Again, thank you very much for watching the Random Robot. Please like and subscribe.